Guys, wow, what a roller coaster. Literally, you can see it. A huge roller coaster, but we walked away with... Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is day 6. If you're new here for the videos, day 6 of paper trading, that is simulation trading, not using real money, but using fake money in order to make gains on the stock market. Obviously, these are not real profits because it's not real money, but doing this for 90 days to learn how to trade and see where we can go from there. Looking at the market open, deep in the red. Deep in the red, super oversold. Thinking that calls will probably be a move today as it rebounds, but I want to see how it tests the levels and see how it goes from there. Already seeing a green candle starting to form here. 19 seconds left on this candle on the 1-minute chart. Gonna wait to see if we get another green candle. If we do, then that will signify to me that we've got a little bit of an uptick, and then we'll buy some calls. I'm going to get my call options set up. I'm going to go in with 4 calls. Yeah, it's going to go now. So I'm going to just jump in here and snipe some profit. All right, so we're set up, and I want to see where this goes with this particular candle. We see that big green jump. We are above the VWAP. Yeah, I'm placing this order. That candle shot green, and I think we're going to move from here pretty easily. Currently only using 1/3 of my total market or my total account value, and the purpose for that is I want to make sure that if I have a really bad trade, at least it'll just be with 1/3 of the account and I can recover with the other 2/3 of the account. That's my plan for now, and we'll see how that shakes out long term. But my overall goal, percentage goal for the day would be 10% of my entire account value when I started, which was $3,384. If I can make $339, then that will be a successful trading day for me. We're up $100 on this particular trade pretty easily in just a few minutes. We are down bad right now. I mean, just that little bit of a drop definitely pulled us down. We're 141 in the red overall on the day. Oh, big red. I feel like this is going to probably going to be a bad deal here. I'm selling this. I'm in a bad position right now. I'm going to sell that to lock in that recovery as much as possible. I'm going to immediately, as soon as I buy, I'm going to set up my sell order because I want to make sure that I'm ready to place that. We're up 30% on this particular trade. Well, 29.5%. We're up $525, 31%. I'm going to sell it here. I'm going to get some puts set up here, and I'm just going to wait on these until I see a reversal because you don't want to buy at the top and then have to flip back around. You don't want to buy at the top and then have it flip back around. Better to just wait until the top is finished peaking out and then let it turn back around and then gather profits on its way down. Filming my video right now, but this is absolutely insane, period. I'm trading in the most brutal of ways, period. Was down over 600 at one point, period. Traded my way back to minus $92 on the day, period. Still have to get my profits. There we go. We see a red candle. We see a second red candle that is forming and looking like it has some sell pressure on it. I placed the purchase and it hasn't cleared yet. Or it's cleared. Yeah, this is cleared, but it has not... did it not even purchase them? What the heck? All right, I bought a tremendous amount of puts here, $2,600 worth, breaking away from my trading plan of only using 1/3 of my money to trade with. And the reason for that is I am aggressively trying to regain my account. So I would say probably as I am sort of evaluating myself, trading more emotionally than strategically. And I feel like this is just something I need to do in order to learn the lesson. It could be a good lesson. It could be a bad lesson. We're seeing a little bit of a push down here, kind of a reversal. Let's see if it bounces off that upper VWAP line there. We'll see. We're up $200 on this. We're 84 in the profit. Go to our positions. We'll set this to close. If it can break below that upper VWAP band, then we will be in a good position here. We've got 59 seconds. Okay, just started a new candle. I'm going to close that out. So we're up $114 on the day. Should have held on to that. Did not. That's all right. We're going to buy here. In the red, we're literally plummeting. So I'm going to try to snatch some of that profit. Big sell-off here. Down bad. 56. My position opened up at $56 in the negative. That's all right. We're going to continue making our way down. I did buy these out of the money a little bit. Huge sell-off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. $502. That's our profit for the day. Yes, guys. Yes, we did it. Hold on. Let it settle. Let it settle. Let it settle. 502 profit on the day. That beats our 10% minimum gain, profit gain for the day. Now I'm going to just do it like I'm just having fun right now. Dang, that was awesome. We did it. I'm not going to buy these yet, but I am looking. Such a huge drop is going to call for some calls. So I'm going to open up a calls option and just gather a little bit of profit on its way back up. This is freaking sweet. This is what I love about this. Dang, we were down bad. Big down. I am just going to make sure that I am ready to place this trade. Guys, wow, what a roller coaster. Literally, you can see it. A huge roller coaster. But we walked away with $616. We reached the $4,000 mark. Yes. Yesterday we crossed over into the $3,000 mark. Today we crossed right over it literally leveled out at exactly 4,000. We're doing something right. Thanks for watching this video. Day 6 win. We're 6-0. We've had 0 overall loss days. We've had 6 win days out of the 90-day challenge. Thanks for watching. Tune in tomorrow for day 7.